Okay, everybody. Thank you for joining us this evening. Today we're going to cover a couple of topics. The introduction to A Bold and Healthy Winter, which is a series of webinars we're producing at the moment, and also an introduction to behaviour change. Just a bit of housekeeping before we begin. We are recording this session, and the recordings will be made available afterwards. If everybody could keep your microphones and cameras off for the duration of the session, please, that'd be appreciated. If you have any questions going as we go through the presentations, please add them to the chat. Introduce yourself, say who you are, where you're from, and also we'll open the floor at the end of the session, and you can raise your hand and ask questions at that point as well. With all that being said, I think we'll proceed with the presentations. To start off with, we've got an introduction to the Bold and Healthier Winter series of webinars. So these are conceived as a series of practical resources, enabling citizens and community leaders to directly reach friends and family, and also connect with an existing support network with their communities to improve overall health and well-being. What we're offering with this is information and practical advice on how to access any support, guidance to support healthy living and being healthy generally, and tips to help or reduce tips to stop or reduce unhealthy behaviours. So this is the current outline for the program. On the right hand side, you've got the list of topics and the dates that we're going to be publishing those. We've got a total of 9 webinars. They'll be covering behaviour change, keeping safe during winter, long-term conditions, unhealthy and healthy habits. The intention is to allow people to either use that information yourselves to help yourself, or pass it on to friends, family, and your communities. The first 2 webinars will be live, which is this one. We've got one next week, which we'll put a link to in the chat, which is winter flu vaccines. The rest of these will be pre-recorded and will be uploaded to the council's website on a weekly basis. We'll also have then resources available for you as well to download afterwards. Supporting resources we're offering. We'll offer the recorded webinars to refer back to any time. They'll be on the council's website in the Bold and Healthy Winter section, and also on the Healthy Brum YouTube channel. We'll be providing the slide decks that we're doing for these presentations that you're actually seeing, and they'll include links to support services and help with any questions going forward. If you can please contact Bold and Healthier Champions at birmingham.gov.uk, and we'll be happy to respond with anything you've got questions about. Your role, and thank you for joining us this evening. You are vital in helping communities to stay well over winter with your friends, family, and any other networks that you connect with. You can support yourself or your local networks, and you can help to encourage healthier changes to people's lifestyles. You can also disseminate the resources we're going to be offering and the support that's been made available. And the resources that we're offering, so if you could share the messages and encourage positive health within your communities. If you could, be vigilant and spot anybody who may need your support, any kind of help they may need to identify those people, and then promote the webinars and the resource packs via your networks.